The grass show ever. Yeah, you go, Jay and Sean. Stop it! Wiener. Beat you. Okay, ready? Ready?
Go.
No, remember that show? Like, oh my gosh, like Jeff is so retarded though. Like, can't believe he has his ear pierced. I know, it's like half down. It looks like a belly button ring in his ear.
That's the thing with my mom's ring in your knuckle.
Yeah, here's my knuckle, folks. I have an earring in it. Ew, why'd you swipe your booger on me?
It was my eye
That's
booger.
gross. Okay. You're grody.